Welcome to the class of NFTL, lecture 11. Today we are going to calculate ABCD parameters for two-port network. So, what are ABCD parameters? ABCD parameters or generalized circuit parameters are also called transmission parameters. These parameters are extensively used in calculations of long power transmission lines. This is a block diagram of two-port network where this is port 1, this is port 2. This is the input port, this is the output port. V1 is the input voltage, I1 is the input current, V2 is the output voltage and I2 is the output current. We can just see the direction of current. This is the input current, this is the output current. Now, two-port network is shown in the figure in which V1 and I1 are dependent variables and V2, I2 are independent variables. The defining equations are V1 is equal to A V2 minus B I2. I1 is equal to C V2 minus D I2. Writing this in the matrix form, V1 I1 is equal to AB CD into V2 minus I2. Why this is minus I2? Because I2 is the current leaving the network, and I1 is the current entering the network. So the direction of I2 is just reverse of the I1. So negative sign with I2 is due to the direction of the current on the output port side. Now let us calculate the ABCD parameters. ABCD parameters can be calculated as, first, when port 2 is open circuited. When this port is open circuited, when this port is open, that means I2 is 0. There is no current flowing through the output circuit. So when the output port is open circuited, then current I2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 1 upon A is equal to V2 upon V1 as I2 is 0. Also, 1 upon C is equal to V2 upon I1 with I2 equal to 0. Now we can just see the calculations here. V1 is equal to AB. Just see in the matrix form, V1 I1 is equal to this matrix into this matrix. So AB into V2 I2. As I2 is 0, therefore B becomes 0. So V1 is equal to A V2. V1 is equal to A V2. Therefore we get 1 upon A is equal to V2 upon V1 with I2 0. Similarly, I1, this is CD into V2. So multiplying these two matrices, the second row of this matrix, I1 is equal to CD into V2 minus I2. So we get 1 upon C is equal to V2 upon I1 with I2 equal to 0. Now second, when port 2 is short circuited, that means V2, the output voltage is 0. Then 1 upon B is equal to minus I2 upon V1 with V2 equal to 0. Now here, in this equations, put V2 equal to 0. That means A and C will become 0. Okay. So A and C are already 0. So this into this, multiplying this into this, V1 is equal to 0 in plus minus I1, I2, B. So minus I to B. So V1 is equal to minus I to B, that is 1 upon B is equal to minus I2 upon V1 with V2 equal to 0. Similarly, 1 upon D is equal to minus I2 upon I1 with V2 equal to 0. Now, these parameters, 1 upon A is called open circuit voltage gain. Minus 1 upon B is short circuit transfer admittance. Okay. 1 upon C is called open circuit transfer impedance. 1 upon D is short circuit current gain. So these are the ABCD parameters and how to calculate it we have seen. Thank you so much for attending my lecture. Please do share it with your friends also so that they are also benefited.